Hello everyone. Today we will study about stalactites, stalagmites and pillars. Stalactites hang as isolates of a different diameter. Normally they are broad at their bases. At bases which are bottom, they are at a broad and taper towards the tree and showing up in a variety of forms. These are known as stalactites. Now stalagmites rise up from the floor of the caves. Stalagmites rise up like in floor in upward direction. In fact, stalagmites form due to dripping water from curve or through a thin pipe of stalactites. Stalagmites may take the shape of a column, a disc with either a smooth round bulging end or a miniature crater-like depression. So if there is a cave-like structure, then stalactites lies on a top position and stalagmites rise up from bottom. The stalagmites and stalagmite eventually fuse to give rise to columns and pillars of a different diameter. So these are important point about stalactites and stalagmites. Don't forget to subscribe channel.